Hello, welcome to a new video. Today, we will be showing you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. But first, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the video. We post daily tutorials on WordPress and web design. So let's get started. First of all, go to hostinger.com. If you have an account, go ahead and log in. If you do not have an account, click the link in the description and sign up for a hosting plan starting from just $2.99 per month. So, click here to log into Hostinger. Put your email and password. I am already signed in. Once you log in, it will bring you to the Hostinger dashboard. Once here, click the Websites tab at the top. Scroll down and click on the Create a New Website section. Now select Create a New Website. You will get to this page. Now here select WordPress. After that, it will ask you for the password of your WordPress admin area. The username by default is set to your Hostinger email. You can change it if you want, but I will keep it as it is. After that, click Continue. It will ask you to select the plugin you want to install. You can keep all of them unchecked, or check if you want to install any of these. On the next step, it will ask you to select a theme for your website. Just choose any one of these, you can change it later. Once you select a theme, it will ask you to choose a domain. If you want to register a new domain with Hostinger, select Choose a Domain. If you want to use a third-party domain, or have a domain already registered with Hostinger, select Use an existing domain. I already have a domain with Hostinger, so I will select Use an existing domain. After that, it asks me to choose from the domain I own, or use a third-party domain. As I already have the domain with them, I will select the domain, and click Select. It will start the installation of WordPress once you select a domain. Once the installation is done, it will show you these two options. I will just go to the control panel and click on the link of my website to see if WordPress has been installed. So as you can see, WordPress has been installed on the website. If you want to go to the admin panel, just type /wp-admin in front of the website URL. Once here, log in with your username and the password you made while installing WordPress. Here you go. You have successfully installed WordPress on your Hostinger website. So if you want to learn more about WordPress and web design, subscribe and like this video. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.